Way back when your grandfather's grandfather was playing chess before we had chess clocks, sometimes those chess games lasted more than a day. Nowadays, we can't even get people to watch videos on YouTube longer than a minute. So, we've got to have chess clocks. Chess clocks are basically regulatory devices. They make sure that the chess game cannot last forever. You get a certain amount of time, either for the entire game or for a block of moves, and basically the idea is we don't want to sit there forever, we've got better things to do. Now, if you take a look at the middle picture here, that's the old school clock. Yeah, the kids don't even know what that is. That is what's called an analog clock, and, well, you have to be able to tell regular time. Over on the left and the right, we've got some examples of digital chess clocks, which is pretty much the industry standard. Now, if you're playing in a tournament, you might have, for example, 30 minutes for each player for the entire game, meaning it can last 1 hour. Some of the bigger tournaments, you get a block of time to make a certain number of moves. And if I scroll down, we can just take a look at some more clocks. Again, a couple of digital ones, analog on the right, and there are many different styles of chess clock. One advantage of the digital chess clock is that we can use something called increment or delay, where you actually get time added for every move you make. That helps make sure that the game is decided by quality chess moves. However, if you run out of time on your clock before there's a checkmate, you generally lose the game. So you don't want that to happen. Chess clocks, where would we be without them? We'd be in some smoky cafe spending an entire weekend playing one game. We don't want that.